What is going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video on how to change that the door lock actuator for the tailgate for the Jeep Liberty 2004. Mine's a 2004, and well, this is the part number that I finally got. That was the right one, 931713. And here it is. It's an actually literally looks like the original, not like the other one that I had in my previous video. But yeah, today I actually wanted to do a how-to fix, so it's pretty simple. It's not that hard. But yeah, so you can get a screwdriver or something, and you can just pry this open. Actually, I think it's better from the bottom. Y'all hear a bunch of chickens? It's because I've got chickens. Would recommend taking off the whole thing. So that's what I'm gonna do. Sounds like you're breaking it, but you're not. That comes off. I'm gonna get you can get a driver of a T30 torch bit. So take off these. Here, let me bring it over here so y'all can see. These 3 screws here. We're gonna take these off. There's some people that have a hex screw, and it's like located somewhere here, but my 2004 don't have that, so it's supposed to be like right here. I've seen pictures, but mine don't have that. All right. And there it is. Now I'm gonna try my best with the phone, positioning it and whatnot. You can see it right here. It's already kind of down. Now I hate this part right here. It's this little right here. This thing, the hook. I hate taking this thing off. I've seen people taking it off with ease, but for some reason mine is stubborn. And I gotta get my freaking. This is how I always took mine off. There it goes. Once I get that little clip off of the little metal mounting rod thing, it just slides right off. Get it. Take off the electrical. Push that tab down and just pull. There it goes. And there it is, the original. Sucker looks new. It's because I cleaned it, but it's not good no more. It doesn't lock no more. And I'm gonna show you. You got the new part, and you have this is the original. And yeah, you can see that they're literally the same. Yeah, all we do is just pretty much, now we just put it back on. Now, you got your electrical, and you just snap it back in there. And screw it back on. Or mount it, I'm sorry. I'm gonna get this metal rod on here. And then the next step, got the mounting rod on. I'm gonna move the camera back over here, and you just put those bolts back on. It's as simple as that. First video of 2023, basically. It's a how-to video on how to put these things. All right. Nice and tight. That's it. Now for the moment of truth, see if it locks. Because mine was, my problem was it wouldn't lock. So let's see. Okay. Yes, sir. It works. Now unlock. Hey, that's such a good thing to see. Feels good. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Appreciate you guys watching. That's how you pretty much change it out.